It's a Friday, and on this particular day, I decided to start off with a little bit of exercise. It was not a running day, so I chose to just walk and listen to the birds as well as the sound of my feet on the dry earth. Now, morning walks and jogs are my time for thinking about my life, projects, although sometimes I spend the time singing, worshiping, or simply talking to God. And when I'm in zombie mode, I will listen to a podcast. Please do check out mine, Grow with Me podcast, which is on Apple Podcasts. I'm currently listening to season 2 of The White Vault, which was written by K.A. Stats, and I can't wait to see how the story is going to continue to unfold. Now, my mornings are often peaceful, but this walk was slightly different. I spotted a monkey getting chased by some crows. Honestly, the things that Mother Nature will show me are just simply amazing. Breakfast today is homemade cornbread. It is simple but super delicious. I love starting the day with something warm, filling, and comforting, and this cornbread with its addition of goji berry hit all the spots. It's time to get some work done. So today I'm not going to be working in the office on social media projects. Instead, I'm going to be taking care of a few sales projects. If you don't know already, I buy and sell goods from China to local people here in Zimbabwe as well as South Africa. Today I'm preparing this beautiful chair for delivery to one of my customers, and then on my way back I will fetch other items that I'll be selling soon. So do check out my Instagram and Facebook pages if you'd like to order stuff from China as well. So I managed to collect my packages, and this is the current situation in the car. There's actually a little bit more under the hat. Just kind of like hiding it because I was in the city, but now my car is like so dirty. It's filthy because they're working on expanding it up, and we start getting rid of this mess. So we've got one, two, three big major boxes, and then those two minor ones, and then the rest were like tiny little packages. If it tells you that fetching packages is clean business, it's not. She made like such a huge mess. Got all this white powder, which is from the construction that they're doing currently while they're expanding the warehouse area, like the place where they actually store up everything. So I'm just gonna have like my work cut out, for me, just cleaning all this mess up because it is a mess and we can't have the car looking like this. Not to mention that it would be very dirty, for anybody and everybody who would then be coming in. Like, just look at the mess here. This was actually clean. I keep this inside, just in case I forget my coat or jacket and then it turns windy and super brisk out there. But it now needs to be laundered because of today's activities. But anyhow, so I'm real glad that all my packages are here, and I will just get them inside. I spend most of my days glued to my laptop or the phone as I manage various social media and email accounts for my clients. And lately, I've had to spend even more time seated as I edit my podcast as well as YouTube videos. It's wonderful, but every good entrepreneur knows that it's necessary to break the routine every now and then. and that you also need to take real breaks from work. We're not talking about lunch or coffee breaks here. We're talking about actually getting away from your laptop or your phone and just, like creating that separation between your life and your work. So this Saturday, I was determined to be as far away as possible from my workstation, and this meant getting up real early and being at the airfield by 7, but it was worth it. You see, all these tiny planes had capable pilots who were ready to fly to the Great Dyke and back again. The trip was slated to take a couple of hours, but none of the pilots were complaining, and I was not complaining either, even though it was very, very windy and cold that early in the morning. I must say, it was great fun hearing the tiny planes roar to life, beat the wind, and manage to take off like determined tiny little hornets on a mission. Sadly, I did not get to stay for the return of the planes as I had a couple of errands to take care of as well as another activity to go to. After completing my errands, it was time for more fun and play, and the next thing that I did was attend a horse jumping event. I love riding, I love horses, and I also enjoy watching others excel at the sport as it inspires me to continue learning and trying to perfect my own riding skills. And this day was just one of those super amazing outings. I hope you enjoy watching the horses as well as the equestrians doing their thing.
Brown bag pony. Jumping better than Pepper today. Well done, Benj. Sophie's coming in. I also saw the bridle on that pony. Who's this on the... Bella, off you go, Bella. That's a good jump. Excellent. Emily overtakes Imogen. Imogen keeps going. Benji's chasing down the girls. And they go.